Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 4.2 question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral LIFT, LI 4 cm, IF 3 cm, TL 2.5 cm, LF 4.5 cm, IT 4 cm. First of all, you have to construct a rough quadrilateral. Suppose this is a rough quadrilateral, right? That is LIFT. This is the quadrilateral. Now it is given that LI is 4 cm. This is LI, this is 4 cm. IF is 3 cm. This is IF 3 cm. TL this one, it is 2.5 cm. TL LF that is 4.5 cm. LF, right? And LF IT is 4 cm, right? In this way you have to make the quadrilateral. Let us take. First of all, take a ruler. First of all, take a ruler. Let us take a ruler. With the help of the ruler, let us draw this IT. IT is 4 cm. Let us draw IT. It is 4 cm. You see, this is exactly 4 cm. This is IT. Now you keep the name as IT. That IT is, then give the name as this one as IT. This is I. This is T. This is 4 cm. IT is 4 cm. This is 4 cm. Right? You have to make IL 4 cm and LT 2.5 cm. Right? Take an arc with I as center. With the help of compass, take 4 cm. With the help of compass, let us take a compass here. You see, this is the compass. I will take, it is an arc of 4 cm. Take it as 0 and take this pointer to 4 cm. This is exactly 4. You see, this one is 4, right? Now, taking this pointer at point I, make an arc of, taking this pointer at I, this pointer at I, this pointer at I, take an arc of 4 cm. This is 4 cm. Take an arc of 4 cm. Right? Again, take LT, that is 2.5 cm. Again, take this pointer here and take the length of 2.5 cm. Right? Take this pointer at 0 point and take 2.5 cm. This is 2.4. You see, this is 2.5 cm. Take this pointer at point T and make an arc. Take this pointer at T and make an arc here with length of 2.5 cm. Right? Now you see. Now you join this one. Let us join this point I. This we got the point L. This is point L. This is point L. This one is point L. This one is L point. Right? Now join the points. Right? Here we will join this one with the help of our ruler. Then join it. Let us join this one. IL and join also LT. LT is 2.5 cm. Join LT. Let us join once again. with the help of the ruler. Join LT. Join LT. And join this point LT. Right? Here you see we got the point L, and that is IL equal to 4 centimeter. IL is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. And LT, it is 2.5 centimeter. This is 2.5 centimeter. Right? Now, if they take LF, LF is 4.5 centimeter. Take LF as 4.5 centimeter. Take the help with the help of the ruler. With the help of ruler again, take the length as 4.5 because LF is 4.5 centimeter. Now, let us take LF. Let us take LF, and the distance is 4.5 centimeter. 4.5. Take this pointer at 0, right? And take 4.5 centimeter. This is diagonal LF. This is LF is 4.5 centimeter. 4.5. Let us take 4, 4.6, 4.5. You see, this is exactly 4.5 centimeter, right? With this, take this pointer at point L and make an arc of 4.5. Take this pointer at point L and make an arc of 4.5 centimeter, right? Make an arc of 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter, right? Again, take this pointer again and take a length of IF, that is 3 centimeter, right? Take this pointer at 0. Take this pointer at 0 position and take an arc of 3 centimeter. Take an arc of 3 centimeter. You see, this is exactly 3. You see this one with I as, take this pointer I and make an arc of 3 centimeter. Take this pointer at I and make an arc of 3 centimeter. And you'll get the pointer F. This point is F. This point is F. Now join IF, that is 3 centimeter. Join IF with the help of the ruler. With the help of the ruler, join IF first. Join IF with the help of ruler. Join IF. join IF, join IF, this is the pointer, join I with F, right, join IF, and this is 3 centimeter, and join LF also, LF is 4.5 centimeter, join LF, join LF, this one, join L with F, join LF, join LF, now join this one, LF is 4.5 centimeter, right, now join FT, join this, now you see here, we got IF as 3 centimeter, IF, this point, the length of this IF is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and LF, this LF is 4.5 centimeter, LF is 4.5 centimeter, that means this one is 4.5, this is 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, this is 4.5 centimeter. Now join FT, join FT with the help of this ruler, join FT with the help of the ruler, join FT with the help of this ruler, F and T, join this one, join F with T, right. Now you see, this is the required quadrilateral, right. Again you see, LI is 4 centimeter. First of all, you have to draw IT. IT is 4 centimeter. You see, first of all, you draw IT, right, and I as center, take an arc of 4 centimeter, and T as center, take an arc of 2.5 centimeter. You got the value point L, and join this IL with LT. IL is 4 centimeter, and LT is 2.5 centimeter. LT or TL is 2.5 centimeter, right. Now take this pointer, take with the pointer, with point I, take an arc of 3 centimeter, and take this with point L as center, take a length of 4 centimeter an arc, and cut here. At this point you will get F, that is, this is 3 centimeter, and the distance of LF is 4.5 centimeter. Here you see, we got the required quadrilateral, that is LI. LI is 4 centimeter, IF is 3 centimeter, TL TL is 2.5 centimeter, LF is 4.5 centimeter, IT, and IT is 4 centimeter. See, IT is 4 centimeter. That means first you have to take IT with I as center, make an arc of 4 centimeter, with T as center, make an arc of 2.5 centimeter. We get the value point L. Join this IL 4 centimeter, TL 2.5 centimeter. After that, with I as center, take an arc of 3 centimeter. With L as center, take an arc of 4.5 centimeter. You will get the point F. Join this IF, that is 3 centimeter, and LF is 4.5 centimeter, and join this line FT. Will get the required quadrilateral LIFT, right? Now, dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.